retreat is when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Taken from the book of Isaiah, chapter 60, verse 22. It makes it much more relevant in all of us that sometimes when we try to not be in a hurry and we put our faith and our trust in God, everything will just be okay in accordance of His will.
Ang retreat naman laging bago, no, taon-taon, kasi bago yung tema. Pangalawa, bago yung mga taong makakasama mo as staff. Pangatlo, bago rin yung mga participants kung saan yung ilalapit natin sila sa Panginoon. Iba-iba rin ang karanasan na pwedeng maranasan ng mga retreatants, and at the same time kami ng mga mga staff, iba-iba rin naman yung mensahe na nakukuha natin tuwing may retreat. Well, they have to be prepared to encounter God. Mararanasan nila sa pamamagitan ng mga talks, ng mga activities, and of course with the presence of each and everyone. Sigurado na mararanasan nila ang ating Panginoon.
For you to feel and learn Christ, to feel the joy of serving Him, in praising Him, in loving Him.